I believe my A-pillar gasket, which is this one that goes down and across the top, and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the door down there. This seems to be leaking right here on this side with the soft top. So that's like the only leak that we have. So I'm gonna have another seal, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the hard top off and then look at this one and see if there's something clogged in there or really what's happening. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so if you can see on the passenger side right here, you can see a hole and it's pretty consistent all the way down, so water can travel through. But on the driver's side, it's kind of sunken in the middle here. It's sunken in right here. And so what we got on headed done is got a smoothie straw because they're bigger, and we cut like this much, probably like, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches, and shoved it right in there. Right here, you can see the blue. We're gonna put the top up and see if it works. Got the top up. Tyler's gonna simulate a rainstorm with our hose.
Ready? Ready?
So we got a little leak here, which isn't uncommon. And apparently a leak over here, but this did not leak anymore. This little mod does actually work. You can tell that the water's in there. So at least you could buy yourself some time to buy a A-pillar gasket, because they're, like I said, they're like $200 and something new, but you can find used ones. So yeah, a smoothie straw. It's probably, what is it, like $1 or $2 for a box of smoothie straws? Or you can go to Planet Smoothie, get yourself a smoothie, rinse the straw out, boom. This side leaked a lot more than the other side. I got the seat wet.
Not a half bad way to fix your leaks for 10 cents.
Actually, I don't know if that's this or not, because it leaks right here.
All right, well here, let's test it out. So here, so what you want to do? You want to take about that much?
That's too much. I don't think we did.
Yeah, well, whatever. You want to do about that much? Lop that off.
And then literally just kind of push it in the hole.
Pick your favorite color, doesn't matter.
I think we have green, purple, and blue.
Look at that, it's already working. It's just pulling it right in.
All right, let's try it on this side. See if that leak is the cause of the weather strip.
Uh-oh, here comes the rain.
Oh my God, hold on.
Oh God, oh God.
Up here. Actually, it looks like that this was the problem on both of them. So this car probably does need a new weather strip. The A-pillar weather stripping seemed to not. Cool. So yeah, okay. So that's a quick little tip. I actually found that on a forum, and it does work. I was kind of skeptical, but I was like, screw it, I know it leaks, so let's try it. I actually do have a used A-pillar seal, but I just don't feel like putting it on. So, at least for now, that buys me time to install it and everything. So cool. Hope you enjoyed this, hope it helped. Hopefully it can help you do a quick fix. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We have lots more content coming on the Miatas and Subarus and every other car we own. Share with your friends as well, so everybody can know about this cool little mod. Later, guys.